Hi, I'm Josh Willis with Resist. Today, I'm joined with Matthew from ABRA. He's our tech support guy. He's been here for a while. He handles a majority of the tech support here in the US and globally. And today we're going to go over a lot of maintenance things that you guys are going to have to take care of in your shop. We're going to show you how easy it is to take care of these, and we'll explain how important it is to do them as well. First step is going to be to remove the head from the dust collector, making sure the power is off. Loosen it, lift the head off, take it to a table. Next step is going to be removing all of the screws on the bottom or lower ring. After removing all the lower ring, you then want to repeat the same process and remove all of the screws from the upper part of the lid. Once you've removed all 4 of those, you're going to open that up and you're going to want to remove the ground wire. Using a small flathead screwdriver, remove all 3 wires that are going back to the motors. Once you removed all the wires, you can remove the lid, pull those wires through. That will gain you access to the actual vacuum motors themselves. Remove the screws holding on the plastic shroud. Removing the ground wire from the motor. And the 2 power wires from the terminal. Next step, remove the plastic shroud. Pop off the bad motor. Take your new motor, place that in. Try and put it in the same orientation as the old one. One important step is to make sure if the plastic rubber ring did not come off, you need to take the old rubber ring and place it on the new motor. That just slides on. If you have the new motor, you're going to place it back in its spot. Try and get the orientation correct, as the same as last time. Once you have the motor in place, feed the wires back through the plastic shroud. Place the shroud back over the motors. Reattach the ground wire. Once that's on nice and snug, reattach the 2 power wires to the terminal block. Then you're going to re-screw down the plastic shroud. Once all 4 screws are nice and snug, you can then reattach the orange cover, making sure to feed the wires up through the small hole. You're then going to reattach all 3 power wires from the same spot they came out. Once they're nice and tight, then you can reapply the plastic top cover, making sure the cutout goes where the wires are. You're going to then screw that down so it's nice and snug. Once all 4 screws are tight, lastly, you're just going to reattach all of the lower ring screws, making sure those are nice and snug. Once all those are in, you then just reattach the head back on the machine. Thank you for watching this video. Hopefully it helped. Hopefully the machine's up and running. If for whatever reason it hasn't solved your problem, please reach out to me or Matthew or any of our tech support people. And we're happy to walk you through it and get this thing resolved and get your machine up and running. Thanks a lot. Have a great day.